Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This video we're going to take the January 2021 Paper Pumpkin kit, which is called Sending Hearts, and we are going to take it outside the box. I am adding in the Forever and Always stamp set. I'm using the Love out of that, and I'm using the Everyday Label Punch to create the greeting at the bottom. I'm using a die cut from the Paper Pumpkin kit, and I am using one of the card bases supplied. I've cut it down to make it a matte. I'm using the resin hearts on this as well, and the stamp, the heart stamp from the Paper Pumpkin kit. So I will just walk through the pieces that we need. We need a petal pink card base, a piece of white cardstock cut 5 1/4 by 4, then a matte cut from the card base in the kit, cut to 5 by 3 3/4, and then we need the die cut. We need the stamp from the Paper Pumpkin kit, and we need the stamp from Forever and Always, and some scraps of petal pink and the white. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to assemble the mats because we can get that done ahead of time. So I'm just going to run a couple of runs of adhesive on this and just line it up and drop it down. We'll adhere this as well. And attach it here. And as always, the links for the products used will be in the comment section below. If you have any questions, you can absolutely send me a note through the channel. And if you would like to be notified when my new videos post, please subscribe and click your notifications. So I'm using the Petal Pink ink, and I'm inking up the hearts, and I'm just going to put them down right in the inside the gold leaf heart here, and just press it down. There we go. And I will stamp the Love here. Oops. And then I can punch it out and also punch out the backing, and I'll show you what I've done with that. So I just kind of put this one at a bit of an angle, just like that, pop that out, and then I take a scrap of the Petal Pink and I cut or punch out another one. Let's close that down, and then I trim this in half, just right up the middle, and then I use my Stampin' Seal and I put just a little bit on there, just like that. And then I take them and I put them on the end of my greeting, so it's even, just like that. That gives it a bit of a border, and that's how you can border without having a whole bunch of punches, because there isn't a punch that's the next size up from this one. So then we can go ahead and we can build this. I am going to dimensionalize the heart onto the front, so I will do that. And then I will just peel these off. And I'm going to put this kind of even up towards the top, like that. And then I'm going to dimensionalize the greeting. Like that. And just overlap this. and it can overlap the matting as well if you like. And now I'm going to these wonderful resin hearts that came in the Paper Pumpkin kit, and I'm going to add them for just that little bit of bling to the card. And I'm going to put one of these here like this, and then one of these down here like this. So that is the card completed using the Paper Pumpkin January 2021 kit, along with the Forever and Always stamp set and the Everyday Label Punch. So thank you very much for watching, and as always, the items, if there's anything you'd like to purchase, will be listed below. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.